How to add Amazon affiliate links to Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with adding a delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search facebook.com and log into your Facebook page. After that, in the new tab, open amazon.com and log into your account. At the top in the search bar, search for the product you want link of. Click on the product to view its full details. Now, simply copy the link as you will have affiliate links at the top. After that, go to your Facebook page and on the left side, click on your name to go to your profile. After you're in your profile in the Facebook, simply scroll down. Before that, what you can do is go back to Amazon and save the photo of the product. After you have saved the photo of the product, go to Facebook and scroll down and click on photo and video. After that, in here, simply add the picture you downloaded. Then at the top, what's on your mind, simply paste the link, then press on next at the bottom. After you press on next, you'll find this kind of screen pop up at the bottom. Click on post and you're good to go. Anybody that clicks on the link will lead you to the product. And if they purchase anything, you will find commission on your account. And this is how to add Amazon affiliate links to Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.